Welcome to Home-Based Chef. This is part 4 of our quick and easy pizza recipe, and in this video, we are making kids-approved Hawaiian pizza where we'll use vegetables that are mild enough for kids to enjoy. These are the ingredients which are also listed in the description below. We will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 20 grams of diced white onion, 15 grams of diced red bell pepper, 30 grams of sliced button mushrooms, 30 grams of pineapple chunks, 20 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 20 grams of grated Eden cheese, 115 grams of ready-made pizza sauce, 2 pieces of 4-inch ready-made pizza crust, iodized salt, and ground black pepper. Let's begin! Preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now let's assemble the pizza. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce over the pizza crust. Spread the mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Followed by the Eden cheese. Distribute the pineapple chunks evenly over the cheese. Followed by the button mushroom, diced red bell pepper, and diced white onion. Season with iodized salt and ground black pepper. Add another layer of Eden cheese if you like. And finally, drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is crispy and the cheese is bubbling for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it! Slice it while it's hot and enjoy! If you make this recipe, snap a pic and tag it #HomebasedChef. We would love to see your creation in Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or let us know in the comment section below. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and hit the bell icon to be notified with new videos. Bye!